We've got Charlie Bowers here talking marriage and money, two very timely topics this February. Okay, I want to pick up where we left off. What advice do you have for couples who are struggling to even talk about this?
Again, understand that they may be coming from a different perspective, a different background, educational abilities with finance. So it's important to understand where your partner's coming from.
And do you suggest one person be in charge? How do you split that role?
That depends. Every couple is different. And it may come down to who is the best suited to handle the finances for the family. But under any condition, both need to be aware of what's going in and out.
Yeah. And people may be getting engaged this time of year. I mean, my brother just got engaged. So do you have any financial advice for couples who are taking that next step?
This is communication. Everyone's coming in with expectations. Expectations for me, for you, for the marriage itself. Like, do I want no children, 4 children, stay at home, or both work? So it's important to understand where you're coming from and just talk about it.
And any other advice you have for couples as they navigate? I mean, money is such a big topic.
Well, money is huge, so you want to plan your future together, but also protections. What kind of risk management do you need? Life insurance, disability insurance, an umbrella policy, and maybe most important, do you have the right gift for your partner for Valentine's Day? Because I've been on the wrong side of that before, and it's not a pleasant place.
That's to avoid all of those issues there. That's a wise message, because you've still got time to plan, which you are all about that plan.
There you go.
All right, Charlie Bowers, thanks so much for being here with us this morning. We appreciate it, talking some dollars and cents with us.
Thanks.